Imagine a world where knowledge is a precious treasure, carefully guarded and copied by hand. This was the reality before Johannes Gutenberg's revolutionary invention. Knowledge was mainly limited to a select few, the clergy, the wealthy and the powerful. The laborious process of copying text by hand restricted the spread of information. The printing press changed the world, accelerating the flow of knowledge and illuminating the minds of many. In the mid-15th century, in the city of Mainz, Germany, a goldsmith named Johannes Gutenberg was about to change the world. Driven by his vision to make knowledge accessible to all, Gutenberg combined his knowledge of metalwork with his passion for innovation, his invention, the printing press. Gutenberg's true genius lay in his ability to combine existing technologies to create something new. He adapted the screw press, a tool used for winemaking and papermaking, to create a machine that could transfer ink letters onto paper. This seemingly simple invention would have a profound impact on civilization. Gutenberg's printing press wasn't just a machine, it was the start of a revolution. It democratized knowledge, empowered individuals, and transformed the world in ways Gutenberg himself could never have imagined. At the heart of Gutenberg's printing press was the concept of movable type. This ingenious system involved individual characters, each cast in metal, which could be arranged and rearranged to create different words, sentences, and pages. Once a page was printed, the type could be disassembled and reused, dramatically speeding up the printing process. This revolutionary technique allowed for the mass production of text for the first time in history. Books could now be produced with unprecedented speed and accuracy. The printing press could produce thousands of pages in the time it took a scribe to copy a single manuscript. This invention marked a turning point in human history. The ability to reproduce text quickly and accurately paved the way for an unprecedented explosion of knowledge, ideas, and information. Gutenberg's crowning achievement, the book that announced his invention to the world, was the Gutenberg Bible. Completed around 1455, this magnificent work was one of the first major books printed using movable type. The Gutenberg Bible was a testament to the precision and artistry of the new printing technology. The impact of the Gutenberg Bible was profound. It made the Bible, previously a rare and expensive text, accessible to a wider audience. This dissemination of religious texts had a profound impact on religious practices, scholarship, and the spread of literacy. The Gutenberg Bible wasn't just a book, it was a symbol of the power of the printed word. It represented a universe of words unleashed, a stream of knowledge set free to spread across the world. Part 5. The Renaissance, Fanning the Flames of Knowledge. The printing press arrived at a pivotal moment in history, coinciding with the dawn of the Renaissance. This period of intellectual and artistic flourishing was fueled by a rediscovery of classical knowledge and a thirst for new ideas. The printing press provided the perfect tool to quench this thirst. With its ability to disseminate texts rapidly, the printing press helped spread Renaissance ideas far and wide. Scientific treatises, philosophical works, and literary masterpieces were printed and circulated, sparking debate and inspiring new generations of thinkers and artists. The printing press became a powerful engine of the Renaissance, accelerating the exchange of ideas and propelling Europe into a new era of intellectual and cultural growth. Part 6. The Reformation, Challenging the Established Order. The printing press also played a pivotal role in the Protestant Reformation. Martin Luther's 95 Theses, which challenged the authority of the Catholic Church, were printed and widely circulated, igniting a religious revolution that reshaped Europe. The ability to spread religious ideas independently of the church hierarchy empowered reformers like Luther and John Calvin. Printed pamphlets, sermons, and translations of the Bible into vernacular languages challenged the church's monopoly on religious interpretation and fueled widespread debate and dissent. The printing press became a weapon in the battle for religious hearts and minds, helping to dismantle centuries-old power structures and usher in a new era of religious freedom and diversity. Part 7. The Rise of Literacy, Knowledge for the Masses. Perhaps the most profound impact of the printing press was its role in boosting literacy rates. As books became more affordable and widely available, more people had the opportunity to learn to read and write. This led to a more informed and engaged citizenry, capable of participating in civic life and contributing to society in new ways. The printing press democratized knowledge, making it accessible to a broad segment of society. It had a profound impact on education, as printed textbooks and learning materials became more commonplace. The ability to read and write was no longer the exclusive domain of the elite. The printing press had opened the doors of knowledge to the masses, empowering individuals and transforming society from the ground up. Part 8. A Global Revolution. The printing press conquers all. The impact of the printing press extended far beyond Europe. As European powers explored and colonized other parts of the world, they brought the printing press with them. From the Americas to Asia, the printing press facilitated the spread of European languages, cultures, and ideas. However, the printing press also played a role in preserving and disseminating indigenous knowledge. In many parts of the world, the printing press was used to print dictionaries, grammars, and religious texts in local languages, helping to preserve and revitalize indigenous cultures. The printing press became a powerful tool for both cultural exchange and cultural preservation, shaping the world in ways both profound and complex. Part 9. The Digital Age, from printing press to digital pixels. Today we live in a world transformed by the digital revolution. The printing press, once revolutionary, may now seem like a relic of the past. However, its legacy lives on in the digital age. The internet, with its ability to share information globally, is the descendant of the printing press. The values of the printing press, the democratization of knowledge, the power of the written word, and the importance of literacy are more relevant than ever.